Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Parsing strings to dates with different formats in Java, a comprehensive guide. Handling dates is a common task in many applications. Often, you'll receive dates as strings in various formats. Java provides powerful tools within the java.time and java.text packages to parse these strings into java.time.LocalDate, java.time.LocalDateTime, or java.util.Date objects, which are easier to work with programmatically. This tutorial will cover 1. Introduction to date and time APIs * understanding the core classes. 2. Using java.time package, Java 8 and later modern and recommended approach. 3. Using java.text.SimpleDateFormat, legacy for backward compatibility or when required. 4. Common date formats and patterns * explaining pattern symbols and how to create custom formats. 5. Handling parse exception * dealing with potential errors during parsing. 6. Best practices and considerations * ensuring robustness and clarity. 1. Introduction to date and time APIs. Java offers two main APIs for working with dates and times. Java.time, Java 8 and later the modern and preferred API. It's designed to be immutable, thread-safe, and provides a more intuitive and comprehensive set of classes for handling dates and times. Key classes include *LocalDate, represents a date, year, month, day. *LocalTime, represents a time, hour, minute, second, nanosecond. *LocalDateTime, represents a date and time. *ZoneDateTime,